Hi friends, today I am bringing about history and evolutions of cryptocurrency, how the cryptocurrency evolved and how it is was used and how it is being used and how it works. Let's discuss. First, how it all began in 2008. Santoshi Satoshi Nakamoto, believed to have designed Bitcoin, publishes a paper, Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system to allow online payment to be sent directly from one party to another without going through a financial institution. The pseudonymous developer's identity remains a mystery to these systems, which means who was Satoshi Nakamoto is unknown, where he was from, which country he was from unknown, but he has published the paper on bitcoins, and this is one type of currency, digital currency, in which it did not go through transacted through financial institution. It is actually paid to one party to another party if both party agree to exchange with the bitcoin. Next, the genesis, how it is evaluated. The bitcoin software is released to the public for the first time and mining begins, the process through which new bitcoins are created and transactions are recorded and verified on the blockchain in 2019. This is the origins or genesis of bitcoins. Bitcoin's initial valuation. What were the valuations of bitcoins in initial phase, and how its value increases on the march of the time, on the passage of time? Let's discuss. First one, in 2010, a Bitcoin user swaps or exchanges 10,000 coins for 2 pizzas. Reportedly, if the buyers had hung on to those bitcoins, the prices would be worth hundreds of millions of dollars in today's world. Bitcoins hits the levels of $1 for the first time. New cryptos like Litecoins, Namecoin, and Swiftcoin began to emerge in 2000s. Wave of popularity, how it is popularized, who accepted the bitcoins. In 2013, world first bitcoins ATM opens in Vancouver, Canada, allowing users to exchange their credits of digital currency for cash and vice versa. In 2014, Microsoft allows users to buy games with bitcoins. The price of bitcoins rises from around $5 in 2014 to almost 1000 at the end of 2017. This is the increase of the value of bitcoin from 1 years to years. So the year of Ethereum to our, the popularity of the Ethereum grows. Its arrival is marked by the emergence of initial coin offerings, which offer the chance to trade stocks or shares in the same manner as cryptos. But due to the lack of oversight, US warned investors that ICO could easily be scam or Ponzi scams. Nonetheless, Ethereum's ICOs raised total of 46 million this year. In 2016, RBI bans crypto. RBI issues a circular, the Reserve Bank of India, the Central Bank of India, the Government Bank of India, who issues a circular preventing commercial or cooperative banks, small finance banks, etc., not only from dealing in virtual currency but also from providing services to entities that deal in them, which means those who are involved in the cryptocurrency, the RBI issue a guideline regarding the transactions and not involvements of the persons who entitled or dealing the cryptocurrency. The same year, Kodak creates its own cryptocurrency, Kodak coin. Its stocks surged over 30%. But there was a case filed in the Supreme Court, and the firm of the cryptocurrency on the case, and it was now legal in India. Redefining the worlds of finance, J.P. Morgan became the first global bank to design a network to facilitate instantaneous payments using blockchain technology, enabling 24/7 business to business money movements by unveiling JPM coin. And back in business 2020, in India, the Supreme Court overturned the ban imposed by RBI. A decaying crypto market is jolted back to life. Meanwhile, the cumulative market capitalizations of cryptos grew around 300%. Facebook announces that its digital currency Libra will launch next year. And where is the crypto industry headed? During financial year 2021, Bitcoin's locks over 800 jump, Ethereum's jumps almost 1300%. April crypto market cap hits all-time peaks of 2 trillion, with Bitcoin accounting for over 50% at 1.1 trillion. Analysts predicted the prices of the world's biggest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, will surge around 600% to hit the $4 lakh level this year. So this is the in details about the evaluations and genesis of Bitcoins, how it is used in transactions, how the value of the cryptocurrency increases on the passage of the time, years to years, and now it also you can invest in cryptocurrency, and it is also legalized in India. So there is a scope of investment in cryptocurrency. Thank you.